on the hood, front windshield, the headlights. That'll help make this a clean machine. Look at that. Look at that design. Right off. You want to help? You want to grab that rag? Farmer John will say, wow, how did this machine get so clean? All around the window, the door handle. And we're going to do the inside. We'll do the windows on the inside as well. Cleaning it up. Clean it up. Yep. Clean it up. Is that dirty? Good. Look at that dirt flying off here. Look at that dirt. There it goes. Bye-bye, dirt. You being a big help. You helping Farmer Jack clean it up? There you go, kiddo. Here we go. Cleaning it up. Uh-oh. Some down. Let it float like a boat. Come on in. What's that? All up. That's just not for sure. Somebody else like that. She probably already.
Is there any particular food that really helps?
Look at him go. You're running hard on a rainy day. Want to go up? Okay. Chainsaw.
You have a loose blade. So I'm going to tighten that up. I've got a wrench. We put it on this thing there. We turn it. And that loosens it up. See how that's loosey-goosey? I'm going to tighten that up.
Here, you can touch it. It's not running.
This is the pull cord. Here, you can pull that. It won't start it. You can pull that. That's it. That's how you start it. There you go. That's your lesson, chainsaw lesson for the day.
Bigger! Bro, I'm a working guy.
You're a working guy.
You don't go down. You can go down.
No hands.
Look at that big fruit.
Yep.
Look at that big tree.
Yep.
Look
Big
at that
tree.
big tree. Up on the ladder.
You're up on a ladder.
You want a shirt? A shirt.
Yeah.